Little Patriots Kids Corner would not be possible without the support of our awesome partners. Thank you, Bryant and Stratton College and Harris Teeter, for being a force behind the forces.
Hey everyone, I'm Karen with the USO.
And I'm Paula.
We want to thank you to this morning's Kids Corner. We are going to be making fruity Pebble treats for you today. So we've already microwaved marshmallows and butter. And Paula, do you want to put the fruity Pebbles
I'd be
in here?
delighted,
Thank
Karen.
you. And then we will stir them up very well. We're going to have to put them in here. Paula's going to butter the pan. That's a 13 by 9 pan dish.
Don't worry, we washed our hands thoroughly before we do this.
Oh, this is very gooey. Smells good.
It smells good.
Smells fruity.
And it's pretty too. Looks prettier than the regular treats we make like this.
Okay, let's see. Why don't you do that and I'll hold the bowl.
Alrighty then.
It's kind of sticky.
We want to particularly thank our wonderful USO supporters, Bryant and Stratton College and Harris Teeter. They make all kinds of things possible for our service members and their families. Oh my, it's quite sticky.
It is.
Okay then.
The cooler it gets, you need to do this quickly because as it cools, it starts getting a little bit more hard to work with. And then you just kind of press that out in the pan and let it cool for a little while and then cut it into bars. What a tasty treat.
Delicious.
Stay tuned for a reading with our friends at Scholastic.
Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl. But the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear Snores on. A badger scuttles by. Sniff snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear Rachoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.